Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for Cook With Me on Wednesdays in the Keto Kitchen, which is my kitchen. If this is your first time, welcome. I'm excited that you're watching. Doing most of this, I cut my head off, so instead of talking while I'm cooking, I'm just going to do a voiceover. So hopefully I can still salvage this little video. But let's go ahead and get started. Today we are going to make cheesecake bites. So I have all the ingredients right here, which I have actually already shown a clip of, or let's do that right now actually. We're gonna show a clip of all of the supplies, and now I'm gonna mix it up. Okay, so now we have the raspberries and the mix. Everything's all mixed up together. And because of the raspberries, it is going to be a little clumpy, which is just fine. Go ahead and grab a spoon. I'm just going to use the spoon that I mixed the almond flour and the butter up with. Fill it up.
Won't you stay? guys, that wraps up the video on our cheesecake bites. These were phenomenal. I definitely prefer baking the whole raspberries in the center as opposed to mixing it up like I did in this video. But I hope you enjoyed. Excuse my puppies making noises in the back. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. And if you'd like to follow along on more cooking videos with me, go ahead and subscribe and hit the little bell. And I look forward to seeing you every Wednesday. Bye, guys. See you next time.